Hi guys, welcome to another live trading session with Optionables. I am Sakit and today we are going to review trades taken on 6th of April 2021. So today was again a volatile day in the beginning and then the markets were really flat during the end. So this has been happening since almost 2.5 months, where the market witnesses lot of volatility during the first half, and later the market stabilizes and it will be more or less range bound day, or it will be a trending day after 2 o'clock. So we are getting to observe this from past almost 2 to 2.5 months. So like every day, even today was a day where the market initially gapped up, came down quite a lot, again bounced back really strong. So it came down, it opened around 200 points higher, came down completely, bounced back another 200 points up, and again finally it fell and it consolidated the whole day in a small range. So this means as you all know, we'll be entering three systems, one at 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. So we had done a 10 o'clock straddle. So this ended up with almost a no profit or a no loss situation, because we did a short straddle at 32,900 at 10 o'clock. So that was the PE which we shorted, 32,900. So 32,900 C and PE both were shorted, and PE triggered the stop loss because market fell. So actually the stop loss got triggered way later. We were at a profit of almost 40,000 just because of theta decay, and if the market continued to stay in that range, it would have been a real great day. But the market later started to come down, and meanwhile we also took the 1 o'clock trade during this time itself. So we took the 1 o'clock trade and the market further started weakening. So after taking the 1 o'clock trade, our profits had, so when the market started coming down, our profits had almost completely eroded. So because we had around 40,000 gain, and that had almost come to negative 10,000 to 20,000, and the profits were completely eroded. And then what happened, the market further continued to weaken, and the stop loss got triggered when the market actually tried to test, the stop loss of the PE leg got triggered when the market actually tried to test 32,400. So after the stop loss got triggered, the market showed a very good bounce back, and when this bounce back came in, our losses actually widened quite a lot. So we had loss of just around 20-30,000. It went all the way to 40-50,000, and then it further extended to over 1.2 to 1.4 lakh. So our losses extended to a huge extent. So from a profit of 40,000, within few hours we went to a loss of close to 1.5 lakh. So then on the market, so we wanted two situations to happen. One, the market to consolidate where it was. Two, the down move to continue. So luckily for us, the down move, so the market consolidated in the range, but if the down move had continued, it would be a great day and we would have made lot of profit. So then we also entered 2 o'clock trade, and I also added some additional reference trading, and overall market did consolidate in the range of 32,400 to 32,600 the whole day. And because of that, there was some amazing theta decay happening during 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock time. So due to this theta decay, we were able to almost recover everything what we had lost. From the negative M2M of 1.5 lakh, we almost came to a positive M2M of 30,000. So it was a great last session. So there was amazing theta decay happening, and we did gain lot of points through theta decay itself. In case if the market had fallen, since we were a little high on CE position, it would have worked out even better, but the markets didn't fall, it consolidated. And overall after 3 o'clock there was slight surge in IV. So the theta was happening, but there was slight surge in IV, and due to this surge in IV or Vega, so because there was little increase in Vega, the premium started increasing. So both CE and PE, the premium started increasing due to surge in Vega, and the profits dropped all the way from 40,000 positive to 30,000 negative. So between 15 minutes, that is 3 to 3:15, we almost lost 70,000 just due to surge in Vega. So there was absolutely no effect of theta, or the effect of theta was actually much lesser than the effect of Vega. So clearly the option premiums went up, and we ended with a loss of close to 30,000. So that was for the entire day. Tuesdays usually aren't that great, even historically when we backtest the data. So we ended with a loss of 30,000. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. So please do share this video with as many as possible, and do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll catch you soon in the next video.